You got her diaper changed. She wasn't real happy about that.
Say, hey, Daddy.
Just had her first tear, Mom, right?
Right, Maggie? Tell Dee, say, right, Dad.
What happened,
Right,
Maggie?
Dad.
Just had her first tear?
Right, Dad.
Maggie, did you change that poo-poo?
No, sir.
You didn't help.
No, sir.
Why not?
'Cause poo-poo is messy, messy, messy. Stinks so bad.
Oh, no.
Just teasing.
Let me see that, sweet baby.
Say, hey, darling.
Hey, Abigail.
After you take a movie, can I watch it on TV?
Today is September 24th. She's 3 days old.
No, 4.
4?
She's born Friday.
That's right, 4 days old.
Say, hey,
She's
Daddy.
5 days
It's time to feed her.
old. 5
Can we
days
watch?
old, 5 days
No.
Can we watch?
Does this need to be? This is a dirty one too. These are going in the dirty.
Sweet.
The dirty clothes for her will be in.
Mom, can we watch?
No, not this time. Let's
Bye.
off.